Hi, welcome to Laid Back Learning and Living. I'm Heather. Today, I'm going to share a couple ideas of how we're going to make Halloween special this year. We can all agree that this has been a crazy year and we're not going to be out trick-or-treating, so we've come up with a couple ideas to make the holidays still fun for our kids. To begin with, we thought a pinata might be a fun idea. So we had the kids go through and we secretly kind of asked them what their favorite candy bars were. And then we decided to get a king size of whatever that was. And that's going to serve for the candy that they would have gotten otherwise trick-or-treating. And we all know if you get a full-size bar, that's epic. This year we decided to do the king size, and that's what they're going to get. A dark chocolate bar, which is my daughter's favorite, and also my husband. I have to throw something in there for us. Otherwise, the kids may not end up getting their candy. And then my son, he picked a Ritter bar with marzipan. We have a Twix, a king size Reese's. And then for great grandma, she loves just the plain old Hershey bars. I was able to pick up this Pinata from Target, and it looked like it was going to be a good size. That way I could stick the king sizes in there. And then also to go in there, I got a couple little tattoos from the Target Spots Corner and a couple glow stick bracelets. So I'll stick all that in the pinata, and then we're gonna have the kids dress up in their Halloween costumes. And we like to have costumes just around for everyday play. So I told them they can dress up in as many costumes as they want in that day. So if they want to do 14 costume changes, go for it. That'll be something unique. They don't have to just narrow it down to just one costume pick. Every Halloween, we always have a couple family traditions that we do. We take the day off of school, so we only do fun activities. I'll print out a couple fun Halloween themed mazes and fun activities for the kids to do that they love, coloring pages. And then we usually watch some kind of a fun show that's centered around Halloween. I also picked up this autumn mix, so we could do some kind of a STEM activity using the candy corns and little pumpkins. And I will probably also open it up a little bit beforehand to use as manipulatives for the kids leading up to Halloween as a fun little bonus. Each year for Halloween breakfast, I always make ghost pancakes where I just kind of shape the pancakes into a funny ghost shape and use 2 little chocolate chips for the eyes. And then I'll have some kind of fun fruit that I'll cut into a silly shape. And then I usually dye some scrambled eggs green. In the evening, our plan is to hopefully, weather permitting, do a fire in our backyard and roast marshmallows and be able to roast hot dogs over the fire. So it's something the kids love, but we don't get to do it very often. So we thought that might be a special tradition. While they're in their costumes, we're gonna get out the pinata and they can break it open. We always try to use a plastic bat because it makes the pinata last a little bit longer. And then of course, the youngest goes first in hopes that everybody will get a chance to whack at the pinata. Thank you for watching today. I hope you're able to use some of these ideas that we have with your kids to be able to make this Halloween a little bit special. This is a perfect time for us to show resilience and that it's okay to adapt to change in losing some of these holiday traditions that we typically do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. To make your day special and the ideas with your kids and have, no it wasn't, while we Halloween, I hope you're able to, sorry I moved. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but it's only once a year. And making things memorable, even when we're not able to do our normal traditions.
God, you were so
Bummer.
Close.